In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a candle close timer on your TradingView chart. This is a helpful feature that allows you to keep track of exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes, giving you precise control over your chart activity monitoring. Let's begin by opening your TradingView chart. If you're not already familiar, TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors, providing a rich array of tools and features to analyze markets. Once your chart is open, you'll notice the price scale on the right side. This is the vertical axis displaying various price points, enabling you to observe how the value of an asset changes over time. Our focus will be on this price scale. What you need to do is position your cursor over this area, then right-click on it. When you do this, a context menu will appear. This menu is essentially a quick access panel offering multiple options for customizing your chart view and functionality. Among these options, you'll find something labeled as the countdown to bar close. This feature isn't enabled by default, so you'll want to make sure the box next to it is checked. By enabling this, you've activated a handy tool that provides ongoing updates on the time remaining for the current candle. Now, you should see a countdown timer displayed directly on the price scale. This timer will show you exactly how many minutes and seconds are left until the formation of the current candle is complete. It's a small yet powerful feature, especially useful if you're tracking short-term market movements or trying to time your trades with precision. By having this visual countdown at your disposal, you can make more informed trading decisions. You'll be able to anticipate the movement of the next candle and react accordingly. For day traders and scalpers who rely heavily on minute-to-minute updates, this feature can be particularly beneficial. As a tip, remember that the candle close timer will reflect the time frame you've selected for your chart. Whether you're working with 1 minute, 5 minute, an hourly chart, or longer, the countdown time will adjust accordingly. Double-check your chosen time frame to ensure it aligns with your trading strategy or analysis needs. In summary, by right-clicking on the price scale and enabling the countdown to bar close, you enhance your TradingView chart with a countdown timer that helps you stay on top of market developments. This way, no opportunity slips by unnoticed, as you'll always know exactly when the next candle is set to appear. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these steps, you can now effectively integrate the candle close timer into your chart analysis routine, thus gaining more precision and clarity in your trading endeavors. Happy trading!